Welcome to your ultimate guide on investing in real estate. Imagine unlocking a financial opportunity that has stood the test of time. Real estate is not only one of the most stable investment options, but also a lucrative path to financial growth. For young investors like you, understanding real estate can be a game changer. Did you know that millennials are now the largest group of first-time homebuyers? This highlights the importance of exploring real estate early. In this series, we'll break down the basics and uncover the secrets to making smart investments. Whether you're looking to build wealth or achieve financial independence, real estate offers countless opportunities. Join us as we dive into this exciting journey of real estate investment. Let's unlock the doors to your financial future together. Stay tuned for practical tips and strategies to empower you on your first step into real estate investment. Real estate investment can be an exciting journey, offering the potential to generate income and build wealth over time. At its core, investing in real estate involves purchasing properties with the goal of earning a return, either through rental income or by selling the property at a higher value. But what types of real estate can you invest in? From residential homes and apartment buildings to commercial spaces like offices and retail shops, each category provides unique opportunities and challenges. Why consider real estate as part of your investment strategy? For starters, it offers a tangible asset that can appreciate in value. Additionally, real estate can provide a steady cash flow through rental income, offering a reliable source of earnings. It also diversifies your investment portfolio, which can reduce risk. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for young investors seeking financial growth. Real estate is not just about buying property, it's about strategic investment and planning. As you build your knowledge, you'll discover how real estate can be a powerful tool in achieving financial independence. Ready to delve deeper? In the next segment, we'll guide you through the initial steps to begin your real estate investment journey. Starting your real estate journey is an exciting step towards financial independence, but to succeed, it requires careful planning. First, set clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what do you hope to achieve by investing in real estate? Whether it's building wealth, securing a steady income stream, or diversifying your investment portfolio, knowing your objectives is key. Next, dive into market research. Understand the current trends, the areas with the highest potential for growth, and what type of properties align with your goals. For first-time investors, financial planning is indispensable. Assess your current financial status and determine how much you can comfortably invest without overextending yourself. Create a budget that includes not just the purchase price, but also renovation costs, taxes, and unforeseen expenses. Here are some tips to help you get started. Begin small. Consider starting with a single-family home or a duplex to gain experience before moving on to larger investments. Leverage technology and online platforms to access valuable market data and connect with experienced investors. Additionally, consider partnering with a mentor or joining real estate investment groups. This can provide guidance and support as you navigate the complexities of real estate investing. Remember, investing in real estate is not just about buying properties. It's about strategic decision-making and long-term planning. With these steps, you're well on your way to making informed investment choices that align with your goals. Stay tuned as we explore common challenges in real estate investing and how to overcome them in our next segment. Real estate investment isn't without its challenges. For many young investors, financing issues can seem daunting and market fluctuations might appear unpredictable. But fear not. These hurdles are not insurmountable. Start by understanding your financial position and exploring diverse funding options, such as loans or partnerships. Keep a close eye on market trends. Research and patience are your allies here, helping you navigate through volatile times with confidence. Another common challenge is dealing with property management. Whether it's maintaining the property or handling tenants, the key is to stay organized and possibly enlist professional help when necessary. Remember, every challenge is a stepping stone to greater knowledge and success. Persistence is your most valuable asset. Embrace each obstacle as an opportunity to learn and grow. Real estate investment is a journey, not a sprint. By adopting a mindset of continuous learning and adaptability, you position yourself for long-term success in this dynamic field. As you master these solutions, you're better prepared to tackle future challenges head-on. In the next segment, we'll summarize key insights and encourage you to take action on your real estate investment journey. Stay tuned and continue to empower yourself with knowledge. As we wrap up this journey into the world of real estate, let's recap the essentials. You've learned about the various types of investments and the benefits they bring. You've explored the necessary steps to start investing, tackled common challenges, and discovered practical solutions. Now it's your turn to take the plunge. Begin with small, manageable investments and keep expanding your knowledge. The key to success is staying informed and persistent. Real estate offers a path to financial growth, and it's a journey worth embarking on. So, why wait? Start today and build a portfolio that secures your future. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on navigating the world of investments. Stay connected, stay informed, and let us guide you every step of the way. Your real estate adventure is just beginning, and we're excited to be part of it. Thank you for watching, and remember, every great investor started with a single step. Take yours now.